upper 40s and low 50s. Yesterday, today, it felt a little bit better. But at the lakefront, it was definitely on the cooler side of things. 57 degrees at the Chicago lakefront, 54 in Gary. We made it to 59 in Valparaiso, 56 in Merrillville. But we did make it to the 60s across the far west and southwest suburbs. And we are really going to be warming things up here in the coming days. Typically for this time of the year, your normal high temperature is right around 63. We're going to be pretty close to that tomorrow, with the exception of the Illinois Lake Shore, because we'll have southeasterly winds bringing in that cooler air right off of Lake Michigan. That's going to drop temperatures likely into the mid to upper 50s at the lakefront again tomorrow. But further inland locations, most of northwest Indiana looking at lower 60s before we jump to near 80 over this upcoming weekend. So Saturday, Sunday, very mild. We're looking at temperatures that are going to be in the mid to upper 70s, sticking around into Monday and Tuesday. In fact, most, if not all, of next work week is likely going to be in the 70s, so way above average conditions. But with that warmth is coming the potential of storms. So the Storm Prediction Center, this is your severe weather outlook for tomorrow. The worst of it is expected to stay further off to our west, where you see that enhanced risk over portions of southwestern Iowa, and then that lessens the further east that you go. But here at home, we're still included in that marginal risk. So the far west suburbs, places like southwestern McHenry County down into DeKalb, over to Kane, down through Kendall, Grundy, LaSalle County, dealing with a marginal risk, which means isolated severe thunderstorms are going to be possible tomorrow afternoon and evening. At this point, it looks like the main concern is really going to be for hail or damaging wind gusts. And then we have another opportunity for strong to severe storms on Saturday, mainly Saturday evening into the overnight hours. So if you have Saturday night plans, make sure you have ways of getting those severe weather alerts. On Saturday night, it's more so going to be kind of targeted across the northwestern sections of the viewing area, but this does come all the way as far east as northern Cook County. And then there's still a small risk of a couple isolated severe thunderstorms being possible in the south suburbs into northwest Indiana. It's just that the higher chance is likely going to be over the north and northwest suburbs. So Futurecast will time things out for you here. Taking us through tonight, we're going to see mostly clear skies becoming partly cloudy out ahead of all of this rain that's going to be moving in throughout the daytime hours of tomorrow. So your morning commute, it's fine tomorrow. We're actually going to start off with a little bit of sun, and then closer to midday, early afternoon, I have the clock stepped here around noon, 1 p.m. We're seeing fairly light rain spreading across the region, and then it's going to start to pick up in intensity throughout the midday, the mid-afternoon hours too, through about 3 or 4 p.m. Spotty heavy showers going to be possible. Same thing with a couple thunderstorms. And then Friday night, if you have Friday night plans, there's likely going to be another wave of showers and thunderstorms rolling through. Again, some of those could end up being on the stronger side of things. Fast forwarding to Saturday morning, we're waking up to a couple peaks of sunshine. Most of the daytime hours of Saturday actually look really nice. And again, it's going to be very warm. We're talking highs right around 80 degrees, and that's going to be in the city that we hit 80. But I think further inland, it's no question that we're going to be able to make it to the lower 80s. But this is what we could be dealing with Saturday night. Again, heavy showers and storms, some of which could be strong or severe. Right now, we have clear skies, east winds 7 miles per hour. Tonight, we're dropping down to about 42. The 7-day forecast tomorrow, 62, jumping to near 80 over the weekend. We do, of course, have those spotty shower and thunderstorm chances. Another round is going to be here Sunday night into early Monday, but the heat, that's sticking around all week.